is Robin, and welcome to Unit A, Lesson 1, Alphabet and Letters. This course is for brand new English learners, so if you have no knowledge of English, this is a great starting point. All right, let's listen to the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now listen again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now listen and repeat these words. Apple, bag, pizza, ball, bubble, bulb, cat, abacus, attic, dog, candy, red, egg, bed, fish, 50, half, goat, sugar, frog, hand, lighthouse, island, light, jam, banjo, key, jacket, duck, leaf, balloon, shell, mouse, lemon, jam, night, tuna, bun, ocean, hot, pencil, shampoo, cap. queen equals rabbit, pirate, water, soap, listen, yes, tiger, guitar, cat, unicorn, Sunday, vet, 7, wave, web, flower, x-ray, exit, 6, yogurt, kayak, 0, lizard. Now try and say the alphabet on your own. Say each letter. All right, let's listen to see if you got them all correct.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
All right, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you learned the alphabet and that you will come back and join us for another lesson soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.